How to plant water lilies. I bought this water lily plant from a nearby field. To make your plant ready to plant, remove all the large size leaves and cut the roots if they are too long. While cutting the roots of water lily plant, you make sure that you don't cut the tuber of the water lily plant, or else the plant may die. So yes, the voice will be not clear because it's too messy over here. I have removed so many leaves. Don't pull them out and remove if you are growing water lily from collecting because it can damage the main plant. Just cut them inch above from where they are going. Inch above means this much. I will show that they were having two flowers also, but I cut them because they were too long. Now if you can see, there is my lotus plant. No, you cannot see, but I am removing the mud from the roots and cutting large roots. Actually, this will totally harm the plant, but there is no option for me. There is also, I think, this is from a local pond where no one puts fertilizer, but I don't know. There is cow dung manure. I think actually from where I took it, it's a playground for whole year, and now it's rainy season, so there is water, and this water lily tubers come out from the soil and they grow. That's why I think there some people rear their cows over there, so when they excrete, their cows excrete, that time they produce cow dung, and now it's turning into cow dung manure. So now I am cleaning the roots. It's too messy. I am cleaning the roots. You can see these are the dead roots. You can see, yes, these are the dead roots, and these are the leaves. See, they are larger than my hand, so yes, larger than my hand, so I removed them. Now almost the roots are cleaned. I am going to cut this part. So my root pruning is done. See, guys, you should use a tub like this to grow water lily, because usually they grow in ponds, but at home we cannot create a pond, so I am using a tub. What you should do that, you should use this much of soil, and then you should put this much of clay soil, and then I will put the water lily plant, and then again I will put some soil, some fertilizer, and then water. So watch till end because you will get the full process of the video. And if the voice is breaking like now, then please sorry, I can put some amount of clay soil. To identify clay soil is basically clay which potters use to make pots and everything that we get. I will put clay soil and then come to you. So the video will be little fast forward. So watch till end, because if I show you each and everything in slow motion, the video will be too long. Break the lumps of soil and remove large stones. Now and watch carefully how I am breaking the soil. Means not so thin, this much layer of soil in this tub at the bottom, but now we should make it grainy and clayey like. Means now I will add little small amount of water in that. So friends, I have put the soil what I needed. So this is the layer of soil. So I will level it in all the sides, because it's very important task while you are planting a water lily or lotus. Because yesterday I planted that lotus, and one side there was a hole and one side there was a mound like soil. But when I put the water, there was where there was a hole, all mud went into that hole and the water became dirty. So now I am putting leveling the soil and putting some amount of water. I am putting some amount of water and leveling them. So leveling of the soil is very important. So don't skip that, because if you skip that, your water will become dirty and mosquitoes will attract to that water, and then you know what happens. So guys, level the soil by putting water. If you want my Hindi videos, please comment in the comment section. I will try to make it. So make sure to like this video. Today's like target is 20, and please give 20 likes to this video. Share this video and follow me on Instagram, because I give pre-update of my videos on Instagram, and I will give updates of this water lily on Instagram. So please make sure you follow on my Instagram. So guys, here I bought the main plant, and if you see here, I removed almost 3 fresh buds which was going to flower after some days, but I need to remove that because I needed to remove that because it was too messy. And now I am going to put the soil which I removed from the roots, because it's pond soil and it's natural soil. And after that I am going to put the soil which I bought. So see. So first you set the plant in between. If you are growing small plants, it's easy to grow and it's easy to collect it. And now you should put the water very slowly, because if you put the water in pressure, the water will mix with the soil and the pond will get dirty. So put the water very slowly, and this much pressure should be there of water. Or something plastic like structure like this, because plastic floats on water and it will not sink and the water will be clear like this. See, the water is so clear because we maintain the water pressure, and you can see my hand under water. So I will fill the water whole by this pressure only. I'm using a plastic plate like structure to decrease the water pressure. You can see in this side the water is little bit dirty because I don't know why. I think while pressing the mud I loosened it. Try to press the mud as hard as you can, because here we pressed the mud and that's why the water is so clear. Now the water is almost filled. Now clean the sides of the tub by the water, and I'm cleaning the sides of the tub so it will look beautiful. Results after 7 days. I have added a syngonium plant over here. Submerged into the water. As you can see, I have added some fishes to prevent mosquito larvae growth, and you must add fishes or put some neem oil. I recommend you fish. Hello guys, the lotus is flowering now. I didn't expect that, because when I bought the water lily plant, that time that flower was too long at this much height, but this flower is opening at this much height only. So this is the result of water lily plant after 11 days. But if you grow it from tubers, it takes 2 months or so to flower. But I don't know why it is flowering after 11 days only. And there are 3 more birds. Let's give a closer look of the flower. Guys, I cannot tell you how happy I am, because this is my first attempt to grow water lily plant and I got its result. And these birds were at the time when I bought it from local pond, but there is a new bird coming out also. So I have edited some things to this pond which I forgot to record, but I will show it to now. I have added this duckweed plant, which multiplies and covers the surface of the pond. I have added the guppy fishes and this water cabbage or pistia, and tell me this plant's name which I don't know. And enjoy the flowering. Hope you guys like the video, and please make sure to subscribe my channel and like the video if you are watching till now. So, and you must try to grow water lily at your home. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Link is available in the description. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.